SAP Business One is a very powerful system with all the functionality you need to run your entire company. Let me give you a quick overview of all the modules included in SAP Business One. These are the modules within SAP Business One. That is administration, which allows you to choose the different company codes, the different exchange rates, do the initial setup, as well as certain workflow and approval process. Next, we have the finance module, which has all the sub-modules within finance, such as the chart of accounts, journal entry, fixed assets, as well as budget setup. There's also a full-fledged of CRM within this SAP Business One. So in the CRM module, you can choose the different activities, you can do different campaigns, as well as sales quotation and sales order. So by clicking on this opportunities forecast report, you can actually look into the forecast report. So it allows you to see at one glance the different opportunities that you're currently working on. You can also click on this golden arrow to drill down into the specific opportunity. So from here, you can see that this opportunity is for partner name Machina, total amount invoice of 3 million. You can see that currently you're working on an opportunity of $50,000. You can also click into the different tabs to see, for example, the stage that this opportunity is in and the closing rate of the opportunity. You can also key in important information such as the different partners that are working on this opportunity, your competitors, as well as the different attachments. Besides that, you also have the sales module, whereby you can actually do sales blanket agreement, sales quotation, sales order, delivery, all the way to AR invoice. Next, for purchasing module, there's also purchasing blanket agreement, purchase request, purchase quotation, order, all the way to AP invoice. There's also landed costs. Next is the business partner module, whereby you actually put in master data for your customers as well as your vendors, and you can also manage the different activities and campaigns. For the banking module, it allows you to keep track of your incoming payments, deposits, outgoing payments, as well as bank statements. For the inventory module, it allows you to keep your item master data. It also allows you to do integration to a barcoding system. There's also bin locations available. So besides that, you can also maintain different price lists as well as a pick and pack report. For the resource module, you can put in your resource master data as well as resource capability. This is for production related. For the production module, you can maintain your bill of materials, your production order, and also a production cost recalculation. So there's also the MRP module, which is material resource planning. So it allows you to do a forecast, and it also has a wizard which will give you recommendation for your production. There's also a service module, whereby you can actually do different service calls. You can put in equipment card, warranty, as well as a solution knowledge base, which is an FAQ for commonly asked questions relating to service. There's also the human resource module, whereby you can actually keep track of timesheet as well as employee master data. There's the project management module, whereby it can actually keep track of the different project stages and different project billing documents. So there's one whole list of reports for each specific module. And lastly, something interesting is that these reports can actually be integrated to Excel. So for example, when you click into the sales opportunities report, it actually opens up your report in Excel spreadsheet, and it allows you to actually change whatever information you need. You can also do a pivot table on this Excel. So these are the modules within SAP Business One.